Okay, howdy everybody. This is Yo Pops giving you another video on a Hess Truck. This installment is going to be the 2017. It's a dump truck that also is a loader and a great all backhoe. And we'll take a look at this here right now. Let me turn this camera around. There we go. Now there's the truck. It's got it's a dump truck. We press the center button up here, and the truck comes up. In the back here, it has a tailgate and a removable ramp so that you can get the tractor up there when it's done. This thing has some lights. If we flip her on her side, we have some headlights that flash and blink. We've got upper lights. We have some backup sounds when you're backing up. And we got us a horn. And we got a nice engine running there. So over here, we have the great all tractor. This is kind of like a backhoe, except it's a little bigger. I've got to put this down for a second. It extends out, the boom does. And the bucket on it moves up and down and also rotates to the side. So you want to put her back up. You push this baby back in, turn her around, and back her up on the truck, and she loads and moves around. Anyway, then you put the ramp up, and you're ready to roll. So that's tonight's Hess Truck. This is the 2017 model. So you all have a good night. Special shout out to Miss Hayden up there in Jersey, and Mr. Luke in the great state of Arizona. Hope to see you all soon. Have a good evening.